अवांजी समातुन ताईं रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most kind, and the creator of all the universes, all the creatures, including the human being. I'm begging you the mercy as great as your name is great. You are a cover for all of us without any pillar. Kujado kahan tokhe malum sabki. What should I ask you for? You know everything. You know my needs and you know what do I need. Assalamu alaikum. Haq Maujood. Aloha, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, and welcome to the show. You're listening to the Voice of Sindh, Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, your host, with the Indus Melodies, the weekly show consisting of Sindhi songs and discussion about Sindh and Indus Valley, but an English weekly show. This is program number 4 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, but it has been produced from Radio Voice of Youth, 99 Hyderabad, Tandol Lahar and Dadu earlier, but this is for the very first time that we are meeting on the platform of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is our 4th meetup with my listeners, with my spectators. I hope you all are good and you have just started a very healthy, a very happy, a joyful and productive weekend. Have a nice weekend. This is Saturday today, September 26th, 2020. This is 11th of Asu, 2077 as per Sindhi calendar, as per Bakrami calendar. This is Saturday today and 8th of Safar al-Muzaffar 1442 Hijrah. This is the very month which is called the month of Hazrat Shah Latif Bhai, the greatest poet of Sindh, because he was born and departed in the same very month which we are passing through. This is Safar al-Muzaffar. And the time is 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11:03 as per UK Standard Time. And this show is produced and aired at this time every week, every Saturday. This show is repeated at 22 hours. 10 p.m., 10 o'clock at the night as per Pakistan Standard Time, and 6 p.m., 1800 hours as per UK Standard Time, GMT plus 1. So folks, as per our tradition, we are going to start our show with the sacred name of Almighty Allah, begging Him the mercy for all the universes, not for our home, not for our homeland, but also for all the universes wherever any of the creature dwells. He must be happy, joyful, blissful with the mercy of Almighty Allah. Allan Fakir sings this Hamd. Hamd is a poetry which is written in the praise of God, and Allan Fakir says, the Creator is our master and I'm sure He will bestow His mercy upon all of us. This is my trust. So this is not only the trust of Allan Fakir, but this is the trust of all of us. So let's make this trust strong and start with the name of Almighty Allah.
तू छप्पर तू छा आऊं कुजारू का जो मालूम तो कि सबका अजो लठमिया सिरो तजुगो जले नसी लालाहीअ जो शाद लतीफ़ चए अल्लाह ओ हालत मुंहिंज जुई धोजा ढकण थी ढकण थी ओ मुंहिंजी मदान मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी अला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी अला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु हादी देई हथड़ा ओ हादी देई हथड़ा हादी देई हथड़ा अल्लाह हादी देई हथड़ा अच चिकन मंजा चार चिकन मंजा चार चिकन मंजा चार अल्लाह मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु करम साण करीम जी वो करम साण करीम जी करम साण करीम जी करम साण करीम जी सब लगाईंदो पार सब लगाईंदो पार अल्लाह मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ खे ओ अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ अल्लाह अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ खे ओ अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ दातर दे अधिकार दातर दे अधिकार ओ दातर दे अधिकार अल्लाह मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी अल्लाह कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुंहिंजी मौला कंदू मार मुंहिंजी अल्लाह कंदू
So folks, we started our show with the name of Almighty Allah, and I hope that all the blessings of Almighty Allah are along with you, along with all of us, and on my dear sweet homeland, which is also prayed by Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, that bestow the blessings on my homeland, dear Sindh, sweet Sindh, but please extend these blessings on all over the world, because I want to see all the world happy. This is 26th of September, as we mentioned in the start of the show. Tomorrow is 27th of September, and 27th of September is celebrated and endorsed and commemorated as World Tourism Day throughout the world. And as far as Sindh is concerned, we have, you will be amazed to know that we have more than 550 registered archaeological sites throughout Sindh, and some of those are under preservation, some of those are to be preserved, and some of those are declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO, as we mentioned in our yester show. Those sites are Mohenjo-daro site, which is called and considered the hub of Indus Valley civilization, and second one is Makli Necropolis at Thatta. So we have so many not only archaeological sites but also tourist sites, and we need to improve those sites with public-private partnership to move towards ecotourism. And we all know that this is the era of ecotourism, the economic tourism, to earn from the tourist sites. We have fabulous and tremendous sites like Gorakhal Station, that is an amazing site where temperature during June and July is less than 10 degrees Celsius at night, and you can have a campfire there and people go there. And now groups are also being arranged from the major cities of Sindh, including Karachi and Hyderabad, for the visit of this hill station, which lies in Taluka Johi of district Dadu. So we have so many sites like Thar. Thar is a huge tourist attraction during the 2 months of monsoons, and especially the Karanjar Mountains and Mitti, Islam Court. There are so many sites of Jain religion, Hinduism, and also mosques there which were built during Mughal period, including the Bodhisar Mosque and many other attractions. So we should move towards, especially when we are talking about World Tourist Day, we should not only think of, but the government of Sindh, as its Department of Culture and Tourism and Antiquities is already active in various activities. It should move towards ecotourism and utilize the archaeological sites, the tourist sites, the historical sites of Sindh for the attraction of tourists of all over the world, to attract them to come here to visit Pakistan for enhancing the economy of Sindh and Pakistan. We are moving towards a happy song, a celebration song by Runa Laila, a Bengali singer, but she adopted herself as a Sindhi singer due to many reasons. It was not only his Sindhi performance but also his family affiliation with Sindh, and she still remembers Sindh, and wherever she sings and performs in India and Dubai or wherever on the globe, she must sings the Dhamal of Sindhida Semanada Shehbaz Qalandar. So Runa Laila says in this song that I know you very well, that you are the one who took away my conscience, but you are the pretty peacock of my heart's desert. She is also praising our sweet Sindh during the song. So, folks, we were listening to the voice of Runa Laila, which is considered to be a beautiful voice of not only Sindh, not only Pakistan, but the subcontinent. She, after the partition of East Pakistan and West Pakistan, and after the formation of Bangladesh, shifted to Dhaka. She also performed for some of the Bollywood movies as a playback singer, but she could not make her career over there due to monopoly of some of the voices. We'll be discussing sometime about this tragedy, and this tragedy happened to be in Pakistani film industry also, not only in Bollywood. You know, there are some individuals who monopolize traits and don't allow several talents to come and to make their space there. So, listeners, we are moving towards the voice of Shafi Fakir. Shafi Fakir is a beautiful classical singer from Thar. He is from Amarkot, and Amarkot is considered to be the western part of Thar Desert, because there are two parts. One is the southern part of Thar Desert, which starts from Naukot and then it spreads to Mitti, then Salamkot, which is nowadays officially it is written Islamkot, but its original name is Salamkot, and then it touches the Thar Desert, touches to Parker, and it goes till Nagar Parker. Nagar Parker is the hilly area of Thar Desert, and this is apart from Thar Desert. This part is called Parker part of this desert. So after that we have Kajlasar, and then after that in the south of Kajlasar there is Run of Kutch and then Indian border. But in the western part of the Thar Desert lies Amarkot, and then it spreads to Chor, and then it goes till Monabau, and then it touches the Indian border, and after crossing that border Rajasthan starts, and then the railway line, the Raja lane, goes till Jodhpur. So Shafi Fakir is basically a folk singer, but as per traditions of his family, his Manganhar family, he learned classical singing, and he is considered to be one of the master singers, maestro singers of classical singing of the subcontinent. He participates throughout the world wherever Manganhar festivals or classical festivals are celebrated. So Shafi Fakir sings the poetry of one of the prominent poets of Sindhi modern poetry, Sheikh Ayaz, and Manur Ismail from Ladkana wants to listen to this ghazal of Sheikh Ayaz, in which a young paramour is requesting her fellow friend that, "Oh my fellow, if you happen to see my darling, do share with him that my every night is dusky, is dark without you, be it a full moon night. Also ask him to be with me during a shady night, I mean the last nights of the lunar month, to make it bright, if he wants to come." Let's listen to this sweet song. Here we go.
सखी हवा में होगा है सखी हवा में होगा है गली गली गीत थी भैया पिया बिना पिया बिना निंड रखी सखी पिया के मिले तो जा चांदने तो सिवा थी अचीत मुझी उमास में अचीत मुझी उमास में छोटे भी रात कान ईंदी सखी पिया के मिली तक जा चांदनी तो सिवा नहीं सखी पिया के सखी पिया के सखी पिया के मिली तक जा चांदनी उदास सरते उदास सरते हवा मुझे चले पई उदारी उदास सरते हवा मुझे चले पई उदारी अची तमुही उमास में आ छोट भी रात कान सखी पिया के मिली चांदनी तो सिवा आला तॾहिं बूंदा मथां चई आजान तॾहिं बूंदा मथां चई आजान अची तमुही उमास में चरके फिर है परे फिर है परे फिर है परे पतो न आए ही रात कैसी दुहागनी दिन पतो न आए ही रात कैसी दुहागनी दिन अच्छी तमुही उमास में चांदनी तो सिवा खुतार आहे किथे असांजी किथे असांजी किथे असांजी किथे असांजी पुकार आहे अयाज़ के नाला किथे असांजी पुकार आहे अयाज़ के नाला अचे मुंहिंजी उमास में शोक भी रात चांदनी तो सिवा
So, folks, we were listening to the voice of Shafi Faqir, and you're listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. Let's listen to our segment Old is Gold, and in Old is Gold segment, we are going to make you listen the voice of Mooli Bai.
Panadi,
the one who devastated, ruined the little world of my bliss. Oh, you, the one who prized the life of the rival. It was sung by Moli Bai, and Moli Bai used to come to Radio Pakistan Hyderabad through Tanga and used to sing for Radio Pakistan Hyderabad when it used to be aired from Homestead Hall building, because the existing building of Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Hyderabad, was not constructed. And when it was established, Radio Pakistan Hyderabad was established in 1955, and it was the second radio of Sindh after partition, built after Karachi, and it was the hub of artists and singers and scholars and writers. So Moli Bai was also one of those singers who used to come to Radio Pakistan Hyderabad for the recording of her sweet voice. And her voice was sweet, as you heard, and as you felt her voice, and as you felt her complaint from her beloved. Moli Bai was included in our segment Old is Gold. You are listening to Indus Melodies, the weekly show of Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is me, Asir Kazi, with you, welcoming you all to the show. We include various genres and various sorts of Sindhi music. May those be folk songs, may those be folk classical, may it be the genre of classical singing, Kafi Kalam singing, the music from Sindhi movies. Once upon a time there was a Sindhi film industry also, and also we include a segment of Old is Gold, and sometimes we include more than one songs in this segment. So now I am going to take you to our segment of Sindhi filmy music, and Ghulam Haider Siddiqui, one of the famous film directors, was the first person who requested Malika Tarannum Noor Jahan to sing for Sindhi films. This was the very first time when she sang for Sindhi films, and that song was "Ae Hawa Aun Chho Na Khila." Oh breeze, why should not I laugh? Mukhe pyar mile, because I have got my love. I have achieved my love. But right now I am taking you to a duet of Malika Tarannum Noor Jahan, and that is sung along with Muhammad Yusuf. And people say when she heard Muhammad Yusuf singing, asked him to go along with her to Lahore, because according to her, he is vesting himself singing for Sindhi films only. So this is a beautiful melody, and Muhammad Yusuf and Noor Jahan are singing these beautiful lines, which mean, "Oh my treasured, I feel like my affection with you is out of this world." And it is tremendously new sentiment. I never tested, I never experienced. Here we go.
तारन जी मुँह से मुंहिंजी मासूम तुंहिंजी जवानी मूंखे रोज़ रसे तू कुमार तुंहिंजे हथेड़नि मां मुंहिंजी प्रीत नहीं मुंहिंजो प्यार
मुंहिंजी प्रीत नहीं मुंहिंजो प्यार न हो तो राणल सां. We are listening to this sweet melody, sweet duet from one of the beautiful Sindhi movies released during 70s. You're listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this show is being broadcasted once a week at 3 o'clock in the afternoon as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11 in the morning as per UK Standard Time. This show is repeated at 10 o'clock at night as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 p.m., 6 o'clock in the evening as per UK Standard Time. Now I am taking you to the voice of Abida Parveen, one of the prominent singers of Sindh, and she says, "Oh, the soil of my sweet homeland Sindh, I'm bowing my head in your honor." Here we go.
सिंधु देश जी धरती तोते पंहिंजो सीस निमाया मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया सिंधु देश जी धरती तोते पंहिंजो सीस निमाया सिंधु देश जी धरती तोते पंहिंजो सीस निमाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सीस निमाया सिंधु देश जी धरती तोते पंहिंजो सीस निमाया सिंधु देश जी धरती तोते पंहिंजो सीस निमाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया पंहिंजो सीस निमाया चश्मन चाया की झरका कारूं झरकाई तोखे चश्मन चाया तोखे चश्मन चाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया तोखे चश्मन चाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सीस निवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया रिम झिम राग उन्हनि सां थर बर बाह लगाया रिम झिम राग उन्हनि सां थर बर बाह लगाया रिम झिम राग उन्हनि सां थर बर बाह लगाया रिम झिम राग उन्हनि सां थर बर बाह लगाया थर बर बाह लगाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया थर बर बाह लगाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया पंहिंजो सीस निवाया नगर फैलाया नगर नगर फैलाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया नगर नगर फैलाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी माथे लाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सीस निवाया मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया मिट्टी माथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सीस निवाया पाया आऊं अमरता पाया अल्लाह मिट्टी मथे लाया आऊं अमरता पाया अल्लाह मिट्टी मथे लाया मिट्टी मथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी मथे लाया मिट्टी मथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सी सुनवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सी सुनवाया सिंध देश जी धरती तो ते पंहिंजो सी सुनवाया मिट्टी मथे लाया अल्लाह मिट्टी मथे लाया 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 मिट्टी मथे लाया अल्लाह पंहिंजो सी
Folks, we were listening to this beautiful song sung by Abida Praveen out of the love for the land, and especially the land of Sindh, the land which is sung by our show, which is sung by our conversation and our interaction in this show, in this Melodies, which is being broadcasted live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And also, along with this weekly show, we meet twice a week in another show which is called Suraj Shakhun Kadhiyon. The sun has spread its light on the earth to bless the earth by the command of Almighty Allah to make it fertile. So that is a breakfast morning show, disc jockey show, and that is aired twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 o'clock in the morning as per UK United Kingdom Standard Time GMT plus 1, and it is repeated as per Pakistan Standard Time GMT plus 5 at 6 p.m. and repeated as per UK Standard Time GMT plus 1 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So listeners, before I take you to the sweet voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, I have in my hands a book written by Richard Francis Burton about Sindh, which is titled as Sindh or the Unhappy Valley. Let me share with you something unique that the Britishers used to spell Sindh as S-C-I-N-D-E. S-C-I-N-D-E, not S-I-N-D-H as we write it currently. And you know that there are many accounts by the Britishers about Sindh, and which are reproduced recently during 2017 by Department of Culture, Tourism and Antiquities. And there is a cell in this department which is called Research, Compilation, Consolidation and Printing History of Sindh. So under this project, this book was published, and I want to share with you a paragraph from this book. An Unhappy Valley, when he says Unhappy Valley, he is talking about the sorrows of this land which are worth being penned down, which he did. And Richard Burton is one of the writers who wrote a lot about Sindh, and his Sindhi was as good as ours. I'm amazed to know this. So I have opened the page number 33. This is chapter number 3, and the topic of the chapter is Camp Karachi and its environs, Mango Pir and the Crocodile Ride. He writes, quote, Karachi is the headquarters of the local government and the great station for European requirements. And he explains in these requirements in the bottom of the page that, quote, there are generally about 5,000 men of all arms, European and native, at Karachi, unquote. So, I'm continuing where he quoted about European requirements. He says, the cantonment stands on a slope which rises towards the east into the little chain of rocky hills. The foundation is hard, dry crust of sand, gravel and silt, thinly spread over beds of stone and pebbles. As in all camps, there is a huge dirty bazaar full of shopkeepers and servants, soldiers and sepoys, ladies of no virtue to speak of, naked children of yelping curs, a scene strictly in the eastern low lifestyle. Unquote. So listeners, this was a short extract from Sindh or an Unhappy Valley by Richard Burton. He has written this book during 19th century, and Richard Burton was a British Army officer and posted twice in Sindh. once for 3 years and for the second time for around 7 years, and he wrote many books, many accounts on the history and culture of Sindh. But while reading this book, I felt that he is somewhere insulting the simplicity of the indigenous individuals and the inhabitants of Sindh, and his style of quoting them is not worthy as it should be. So listeners, I'm taking you to the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, who is singing the lyrics of Ustad Bukhari, one of the prominent Sindhi poets of 20th century. And in this beautiful melody, he says, Ustad Bukhari says, and Manzoor Sakhirani expresses the same in the melody, that I'm touching your long, fluffy and tender hair and sensing like I'm roving within the black clouds. Every day I kiss the rose-colored dusk, the reddish sunset, which is actually the color of your brasses, your cheeks. Let's listen to this beautiful melody.
वदन खां पुछो है पंजवार वदन खां पुछो रोज़ ककरन सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवार वदन खां पुछो है पंजवार वदन खां पुछो सांझी शफ़क़ के माथो गाल गालनि के खां पुछो रोज़ कतरनि सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो है पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो फकरनि सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो रोज़ फकरनि सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो है पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो फकरनि सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो रोज़ फकरनि सां गॾिजी घुमां थो पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो है पंजवारनि वॾनि खां पुछो
Folks, we were listening to Manzoor Sakhirani and the lyrics were by Ustad Bukhari. You're listening to Indus Melodies, the weekly show, the weekly English show of Radio Voice of Sin London, live from Radio Voice of Sin London, Radio VOS. And you can download the mobile phone application of Radio Voice of Sin London from Google app for permanent listening. And if you type Radio Voice of Sin London in the search box of Play Store, you can find the beautiful icon of the same microphone which you have seen and you recognize. And by clicking that, you can download the mobile phone application and you can listen the 24/7 365 transmission of Radio Voice of Sin London anytime, anywhere. Or if you want to listen to this show or other shows of Radio Voice of Sin London, you can log on to the website of Radio Voice of Sin London, or you can listen to my shows through my personal YouTube channel, which is Yasir Qazi, YASIRQAZI. We were discussing about clouds, the black clouds, and Ustad Bukhari was comparing the black clouds with the black hair of his beloved. And here in this song, the forthcoming song, we are also mentioning about clouds, but this is a gloomy song by Sheikh Ayaz in which the clouds are making him sad. He says, "O cloud, I'm shedding like you, and my eyes are declining to stop. The sky thunders, lightens, and breasts. Same is happening with me through the tears, due to distress scorching within me." Sung by Diba Sahar, let's listen to this beautiful melody in Indus Melodies.
बादलड़े बादलड़े मुंहिंजा नेण नथा बस कनि बादलड़े बादलड़े मुंहिंजा नेण नथा बस कनि गजी गजी घन घोर घटा गजी गजी घन घोर घटा आगम में उभरन मुंहिंजा नेण नथा बस कनि बादलड़े बादलड़े मुंहिंजा नेण नथा बस कनि गजी गजी घन घोर घटा बस कन बादलड़े बादलड़े
Right, folks, we were listening to Sheikh Ayaz, the lyrics of Sheikh Ayaz by Diwa Sahar. You are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sin, London. And if you are driving, drive carefully.
हम तुझे बिना कुछ बताया हम तुझे बिना कुछ बताया तुझे गद गद हुजी कोई मां आया हम तुझे बिना कुछ बताया हम तुझे बिना जॾहिं मिला तो केॾा धोवणा तो सां जॾहिं मिला तो केॾा धोवणा पाण खे तुंहिंजे लाइ ठाहियूं पियो ठाहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां तुंहिंजे गॾु गॾु हुजी पोइ मां आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना मुंद मुर्की पवे जीउ जरकी पवे मुंद मुर्की पवे जीउ जरकी पवे तूं जहे कर अची त मजूमा नचां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां तुंहिंजे गॾु गॾु हुजी पोइ मां आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना सताऊं कयूं आओ चांदो कियूं बि सताऊं कयूं आओ मूं वरी त मां ख़ुशि थी खणा हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां तुंहिंजे गॾु गॾु हुजी पोइ मां आहियां हा मां तुंहिंजे बिना कुझु बि त न आहियां सत जद हुजी तोए मां आहियां आम तुझे बिना कुछ बताइया आम तुझे बिना कुछ बताइया आम तुझे बिना कुछ बताइया आम तुझे बिना कुछ बताइया।
All right, listeners, you are listening again the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, but this time these were the lyrics of Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, and Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum said, addressing to his beloved, that I'm nothing lacking you, my loved, I concede, but if you escort me, I feel myself complete. So listeners, this is the time to say you goodbye, because this was the broadcasting journey along with you. This is a weekly show called Indus Melodies. Indus Melodies is a weekly show which is being broadcasted on every Saturday 3 p.m. as Pakistan Standard Time, as you heard this show, and you can listen to this show as repeat broadcast at 10 o'clock tonight. For extending your feedback, please send your feedback to the website of Radio Voice of Sindh London, A. B. to my email, which is djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com. C. you can like my fan page, or you can extend your feedback through my fan page, which is facebook.com/djyasirqazi, djyasirqazi. D. you can extend your feedback through my Twitter, which is @rjyasirqazi, rjyasirqazi. You can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Yasir Qazi, or if you are writing directly in the address bar, that is youtube.com/FMWQY. So listeners, you can subscribe to this page and also press the bell icon for continuous updates about the videos we upload or about the live shows we premiere. Let me share with you again that along with Indus Melodies, you can listen to my breakfast disc jockey morning show, Suraj Shakhon Kadiyon, on Tuesdays and Wednesdays at 10 o'clock in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time, and 6 o'clock in the morning as per UK Standard Time, and as repeat broadcast at 6 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, GMT plus 5, and 2 in the afternoon as per UK Standard Time. I'm very grateful to Sarvej Uddho for the program coordination, and the CEO of Radio Voice of Sindh London, Imdad Uddho, who is also the transmission in charge of Radio Voice of Sindh London. I'll see you inshallah on Tuesday, the September 29th, 2020, if God wanted and the health permitted. Inshallah al-Aziz, we will be sharing the colors of melodies and colors of culture and art and literature of this land. Winding up the show with the praise of the beautiful Sindh, and this is a festive song which is called Ho Jamalu. We conclude all our festivities with this song which is called Ho Jamalu, and this is a festive song, and actually this is more than 1000 years old song, but we keep on adding lines into it as per our pleasure and the bliss addresses. So this very Jamalu addresses the beauty of the language, culture and lifestyle of Sindh. This is written by Rashid Morai, one of the eminent Sindhi poets recently departed. This is sung by Mazhar Hussain and chorus, and I hope that you will like this Jamalu. Let me conclude this show with this beautiful Jamalu. This is Yasir Qazi signing off from Indus Melodies. Take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, Aloha, Sadain Gaddu, and Allah Nigaban.
जमालो वाह वाह जमालो ओ पंहिंजो जमालो अदन सां हो जमालो ओ पंहिंजो जमालो अदन सां हो जमालो ओ जंहिंजी सिंधी क़ौमी ॿोली आहे हो जमालो ओ जंहिंमें जी जलद जमालो हो जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जंहिंजो वणंदड़ अजरक खेस हो जमालो सुंदड़ी जंहिंजो सुहिणो देस हो जमालो जंहिंजो वणंदड़ अजरक खेस हो जमालो साण प्यार ओ जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार ओ जंहिंजो पोरत साण प्यार ओ जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार ओ जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जंहिंसां साथ सिंधी हारनि जो जमालो ओ जेको वेरी आहे मारनि जो जमालो ओ जंहिंसां साथ सिंधियुनि हारनि जो जमालो ओ जेको वेरी आहे मारनि जो जमालो ओ जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जमालो पंहिंजो जमालो जंहिंमें हिम्मत होशूअ जवान जी जमालो जंहिंजी दिख दरिया ख़ान जी जमालो जंहिंमें हिम्मत होशूअ जवान जी जमालो जंहिंजी दिख दरिया ख़ान जी जमालो जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जंहिंजो रहबर सिंध जो शाह जमालो जंहिंजो धरतीअ ते बेसाह जमालो जंहिंजो रहबर सिंध जो शाह जमालो जंहिंजो धरतीअ ते बेसाह जमालो जमालो वाह वाह जमालो ओ जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जंहिंजी सिंधी क़ौमी ॿोलिया जमालो जंहिंमें जी जल ॾिनी लोलिया जमालो जंहिंजी सिंधी क़ौमी ॿोलिया जमालो जंहिंमें जी जल ॾिनी लोलिया जमालो जमालो सिंधियुनि जो जमालो जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जंहिंजो पोरत साण प्यार जमालो जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार जमालो जंहिंजो पोरत साण प्यार जमालो जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार जमालो जमालो सिंध जो जमालो ओ जमालो पंहिंजो जमालो जंहिंसां साथ सिंधी हारनि जो जमालो जेको वेरी आहे मारनि जो जमालो जंहिंसां साथ सिंधी हारनि जो जमालो जेको वेरी आहे मारनि जो जमालो जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जंहिंजो वणंदड़ अजरक खेसवा जमालो सिंधड़ी जंहिंजो सुहिणो देसवा जमालो जंहिंजो वणंदड़ अजरक खेसवा जमालो सिंधड़ी जंहिंजो सुहिणो देसवा जमालो जमालो सिंध जो जमालो जमालो पंहिंजो जमालो जंहिंजी सिंधी क़ौमी ॿोलिया जमालो जंहिंमें जी जल ॾिनी लोलिया जमालो जंहिंजी सिंधी क़ौमी ॿोलिया जमालो जंहिंमें जी जल ॾिनी लोलिया जमालो जमालो पंहिंजनि जो जमालो जमालो पंहिंजो जमालो जंहिंजो पोरत साण प्यार जमालो जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार जमालो जंहिंजो पोरत साण प्यार जमालो जेको मज़दूरनि जो यार जमालो जमालो वाह वाह जमालो जमालो पंहिंजो जमालो जंहिंमें हिम्मत होशूअ जवान जी जमालो जंहिंजी दिख दरिया ख़ान जी जमालो जंहिंमें हिम्मत होशूअ जवान जी जमालो जंहिंजी दिख दरिया ख़ान जी
जमालो
ओ जमालो सिंध जो जमालो ओ जमालो वाह वाह जमालो ओ जंहिंजो रहबर सिंध जो शाह
ओ जमालो
जंहिंजो धरतीअ ते बेसाह
ओ जमालो
ओ जंहिंजो रहबर सिंध जो शाह
ओ जमालो
ओ जंहिंजो धरतीअ ते बेसाह
ओ जमालो
ओ जमालो 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 सो जमालो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिक मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।